Ever wondered how to travel across India? Well, the Indian Railways, with its vast network and diverse routes, offers an incredible opportunity to explore the country's rich heritage, stunning landscapes, and vibrant cities. Foreign tourists can easily book train tickets and embark on an exciting journey across the Indian subcontinent. But how exactly does one go about it? First off, travelers must ensure they have a valid visa and other necessary documents. Indian Railways is quite welcoming to tourists from around the world, but it's essential to have your paperwork in order. To book a ticket, the most direct method is through the official Indian Railways website. The site is user-friendly and offers a step-by-step guide to help you through the booking process. Start by creating an account. Fill in the required details, including your name, passport number, and the dates of your planned journey. Once the account is created, you can log in anytime to book tickets. After logging in, select the Plan My Journey option. Here, input your departure and destination stations, along with your desired travel date. Once done, click on Find Trains. A list of all the trains running on your selected date between your chosen stations will appear. Choose the train that suits your travel plans best. Remember to check the train timings, the duration of the journey, and the available classes of travel. Indian trains offer a range of options from sleeper class to first class AC, each offering a unique experience. Once you've selected your train, proceed to Book Now. Here you'll need to provide passenger details including names and age. After filling in the details, proceed to payment. The site accepts international credit and debit cards, so paying should be a breeze. Apart from the official website, tickets can also be booked at railway reservation counters and through authorized travel agents. These options might come in handy if you prefer a more personal touch or need assistance with your booking. To summarize, traveling across India via train is a delightful experience, and booking tickets on Indian Railways is a straightforward process. Start by ensuring you have a valid visa and other necessary documents. You can book your tickets through the official Indian Railways website, at railway reservation counters, or through authorized travel agents. The website offers a step-by-step guide to help you through the booking process. Remember to check train timings, the duration of the journey, and the available classes of travel before making your booking. So there you have it. With your tickets booked and your bags packed, you're all set for an unforgettable journey across the diverse landscapes of India, all aboard the Indian Railways. Happy travels!